welcome for another useful short form tutorial on incorporating the yoga triangles. Today we're going to be focusing on side lying shoulder ramp, which is a wonderful variation for people who have tight shoulders, frozen shoulder, who experience any degree of discomfort in side lying poses for any number of reasons, from having surgery to having injury. This is a very handy variation, and I hope that you enjoy it. So to set up side lying shoulder ramp, you need one or two pairs of yoga triangles. And the reason why I'm suggesting two is just for an added degree of comfort. So I'll show you what this looks like, and we're also going to be reviewing what ramp shape is. So if you've been here for a while and you've been exploring your yoga triangles, you'll notice that the yoga triangles together form a block shape, and then any other number of shapes can be formed. In this case, when we connect the two right angles together, a ramp, hence the ramp nomenclature that we use in our sequencing, or for if you're at home and you're practicing with us, joining for our yin restorative or our freedom and motion mobility classes. So we'll put these triangles together in this ramp formation, and I'm going to grab my second pair of my third generation yoga triangles, making the same ramp shape side by side. So I've got a pair here and a pair behind them with a little wider base for me. And the point that we want to focus on is where the triangles come together. You'll come onto your side. You can come into a fan position, or you can lay directly on your side, and you'll extend the arm over the triangles, and you're trying to place the joint where the triangles come together, the seam where they join, right in the underarm tissue. You can let your head rest on your arm here. You can let your other arm rest on your side, or you can let it drop behind you. And of course, whatever is most comfortable for your legs here. Laying in this position, in this side lying pose, you can stay for 8 minutes, relaxing into myofascial release. You can also add some movement here if you want to roll forward toward the pectoralis, and you'll feel how the tissue gets into the pectoralis and back across the serratus and into the lats. So option for your myofascial release, option for your foam rolling and your self-massage techniques here if you so desire. Or you can utilize this in a yin or a restorative class where you just hang out and do some slow deep breathing. If you find that you're experiencing discomfort in the neck, you can just pop your arm up and catch your head with your hand, and all of these same movements are still available to you. You can also use your free hand to help connect with some stability in front of you or behind you if you're engaging in any kind of exploratory movement. And what I'll tell you about this variation is it's seemingly very, very simple, but after you do this for an extended period of time consistently, you'll realize just how connected all of the tissue from below the elbow up down toward the sides of the rib cage, and specifically all of that pectoralis tissue under the arm holds. It holds tightly. So we'll do both sides just so I have a nice release on both sides. And you can also stop and reflect, and you'll notice that this shoulder that I just rolled has dropped. So for those of us that have tight shoulders, or we spend a lot of time sitting, typing, rounded shoulders, this can be really nice for that upper spine release that we need at the end of the day when we've been computering a little too long. So other side, same thing. I'm coming to my side lying position. I'm extending the underarm into the connection where those seams come together. I pick my position with my legs, and I can roll or I can hang out. So thank you for continuing to check back, and we hope that you're enjoying these short form tutorials. They are designed for quick and easy digestion, and just to keep you excited and inspired when you're using your yoga triangles. Have a wonderful rest of your day.